We're here at Southern Manufacturing's first year for you. How have these machines done?
They've produced a lot of interest. Like you say, it's our first time here, and we're showing off the latest new Tornado, along with several other CNC machines that we've got.
Latest new Tornado, which model is this?
So this is the SL25. So you could say this is the level entry machine, but it's a grey spec, compact size, brilliant machine.
I could say it's quite a small size, a small working envelope, should I say, but kind of a big envelope in size. What's the sizes going on?
So what we've got is a 2-inch spindle ball. We've got an 8-inch chuck on here, and we've got a 12-station VDI turret. But like you say, it's a good working envelope. We can do a range of small parts and long parts in it.
So the demo that we've got on going behind, we're not using coolant, are we? So
no.
What's that all about?
It's one to enable the visitors to actually see what's going on.
Okay.
Because if we've got coolant in there, you won't be able to see what we're trying to do, which is a rocket.
Yeah, brilliant. And you're programming it on the machine.
Yeah.
Talk to me about the programming. Is it manual guide eye on there?
So we've got manual guide eye. You can program offline through CAD systems. You can program what I call longhand straight onto the machine. And behind me, you can see a simulation of the program running while the parts being machined as well.
30 years of these machines going round. Are you still seeing the same type of industries go forward, or are you looking at new industries?
I think we're looking at everything, aren't we? We're in business to sell machines. You've got what we would call thread in the shed, through to the real high-end tier 1 suppliers that they use these. And Colchester is synonymous with Tornado.
100%, and these machines I'm seeing go everywhere, so you're correct in where you're saying it's going into every industry. What do you like about this machine?
I think in the world we're in today, aesthetically it's a good looking machine, but also the spec, it packs a punch. 20 bar coolant, tool setting probe, swarf conveyor.
Are these all a standard?
These are standard. Pass catcher, which invariably with other suppliers may not be so. And we've got the latest FANUC control as well, 15-inch screen.
When I come to see Keith last year, we talked about stock. Do you hold a lot of these in your warehouse?
Yeah, because they're selling. We need to hold stock. We need to be competitive, and we offer, on average, around a 4 to 5 week lead time on these. But no, we've got stock of this range all the way through up to the bigger brothers of this as well. And we do C-axis versions as well. So yeah, plenty of stock.
Also, what I want to quickly touch on as well is you add the options that come with the machine. What are the options that you could get with this machine?
Well, obviously we can do a tooling package, we can do bath these, but we pretty much spec these quite fully anyway. So there's not a huge amount that you want to add to it, because like we say, we spec them very well.